Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello, food lovers. Have you ever tried Anil Rice Vermicelli? It's an absolute kitchen hero, incredibly versatile and super quick to prepare. Whether you're whipping up a speedy weeknight dinner or experimenting with new flavors, this vermicelli is a perfect choice for your pantry. It can transform simple ingredients into something special, making meal prep a breeze for anyone. Many people think you boil rice vermicelli, but often, a simple soak is all you need for that ideal texture. Just place your Anil rice vermicelli into a large bowl, then pour hot water over it, making sure it's completely covered. Let it sit there for about 10 minutes, or until it becomes soft and pliable. This gentle approach prevents overcooking and keeps the noodles from getting mushy. After soaking, it's crucial to drain your vermicelli very well. You want it ready to absorb all those wonderful flavors. When your stir-fry is almost done, maybe in the final 2 minutes, gently add the vermicelli to the pan. Toss it carefully, allowing it to mix with the vegetables, proteins, and sauces. This method ensures your noodles are perfectly integrated and wonderfully flavorful. Beyond stir-fries, Anil rice vermicelli makes an excellent addition to any soup or broth. For a comforting bowl, you can often add the dry vermicelli directly into your simmering soup during the last 5 minutes of cooking. It will soften beautifully right in the hot liquid, absorbing all those wonderful flavors from your broth and other ingredients. This creates a really hearty and satisfying meal. A crucial tip for perfect vermicelli is to always avoid overcooking. It can turn mushy very quickly. Once it's soft, it's ready. Serve your delicious Anil rice vermicelli dishes immediately to enjoy them at their peak. Pair it with fresh vegetables, your choice of protein, or a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a truly delightful and easy meal. Happy cooking, everyone!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.